Hi, I'm Ivan Zoot. I'm the Director of Education and Customer Engagement with the Andis Company. Welcome to another edition of Andis Tooltips on the web. You've got questions, we've got answers. A popular question we get is, how do I adjust the magnetic armature on my Andis Improved Master Clipper? It's a common question and it's an important question because if it's adjusted right, maximum power, maximum stroke, maximum cutting efficiency, and you're just going to love the clipper. But if the armature is out of adjustment, it's not going to cut as well, it might not sound good, and you won't be happy. Here's what we do. On the side of the Andis Improved Master, there are two screws. There's a little screw with a straight slotted screw hole, and there's a larger screw with a special fitting. You don't have that screwdriver. The little screw is the armature adjustment screw. The big screw, I like to call that the you don't ever touch it screw. The little screw is used to adjust the armature. The big screw, well, that's right, you don't ever touch it. That one is used when we bolt in the motor. Don't turn that screw, don't put a pliers in there and mess with it. You'll use the little screw. Here's the idea. You want maximum blade stroke. You want the cutting blade, the moving blade, to go all the way as far as it can to the left and right side without clattering and making that loud noise. Let's turn it on and see. That's the thump when it starts, and that's the smooth running sound. If it sounds like this, that's no good. That's too much stroke. So what you do is this. You loosen that screw until it makes that loud rattling noise, and then you tighten the screw just until the clattering stops. It'll sound like this. Listen carefully. Just when the clattering stops and the hum gets nice and smooth, if I pinch it at the sides like this, you'll hear a tiny little clatter. That means we've tuned it for maximum stroke and maximum power. It can slip out of tune from time to time, and that's why you've got a straight blade screwdriver to make that adjustment. Don't forget your Andis clipper oil, 2 drops on the running teeth, and 1 drop at the inside rear corner of the moving blade. Every clipper, every client, every time. Don't forget your Andis Cool Care 5-in-1 spray. It's a blade coolant, it's a blade cleaner, it's a rust inhibitor, it's a lightweight lubricant, and a disinfectant. And good principles and practices of good sanitation is just good business and just good marketing. That's what you need to know to properly adjust your Andis Improved Master Clipper. Thanks for watching today. See us at andis.com and have a great day.